Now our application is ready, and the next step we have here is to deploy it. Step 8 is to build and upload to Firebase. Now this is all integrated, this code, everything is good. You don't need to modify your angular.json anymore. You can just run this code. Let's go ahead and do ng run for sure fun. ng run and the name of your project. Mine is firebase-project, firebase-project. As you remember, it was the alias that we said at the beginning. It was firebase-project. So make sure you are using the same name, and then say deploy. Okay, then hit enter. Now we are waiting for the application to be built in production mode. And you see now we have this dist folder here. It's building our application in the production format. There we go. And it built the application here. Now it's deploying it, and it's all good. Deploy complete. Now we can go ahead in this link, open it in the browser, and we have the application deployed. Okay, perfect. Up to here, everything is good.